Hello everybody, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day today. So today I'm going to be using, if I can separate it, a brioche roll. I've also got some, I've still got 4 rashers of bacon now, so slowly going down. I've got an egg, got some pepper, got some crushed chilies. I'm going to try one of these Haggises and see how that works out. So the haggis is made with offal, beef fat, mixed with oatmeal, spices, basically all of that says that on there. So yeah, I'm going to fry it 7 minutes, light oil, so I'll get the bacon in first, let that do its thing, and yeah, take it from there. Right, so I'm just going to get the bacon in, cut the rashers. There you go, nice easy. So yeah, never had haggis before, and be interesting to see what it tastes like. So yeah, looks meaty, that does, doesn't it? I guess we'll find out very shortly. Lovely. What's on that brioche package again? So it does say that it can be frozen as well. It says once open, eat within 2 days. So I guess I'll be having haggis and black pudding tomorrow as well. Cook in the air fryer, under the grill, or fry. Yeah, so we'll see what that goes like. Right, try this back to the middle. It does say cook it in some sort of lubricants. A light oil. Got a bit of butter. Everything tastes better than butter, doesn't it? Would you agree, or would you say no? Everything tastes better than oil. So it says it takes 7 minutes. That's how that works out. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to butter these brioche rolls, chuck them in the pan and just crisp them up a little bit. I might actually bang it in the air fryer, make it extra crispy. So literally just buttered the roll, the brioche roll. Just going to chuck it in the air fryer. I like a max crisp for 3 minutes. Let it flip. No, it looks a lot like black pudding, doesn't it, really? A couple of eggs in there. Oh. I broke that one as well. Deja vu, all coming back to me. I felt I'd done that yesterday as well, didn't I? I'm just going to season that with a bit of chilli flakes in there. You can still see. Bit of black pepper. Do, lovely. And a bit of salt. Right. I think the haggis is cooked. Bacon definitely looks cooked. Eggs need a bit more. So I'm just going to pull them out now. Or try to anyway. Brioche done. Get that up. See a little bag. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the haggis separate and just try that. Have the eggs and the bacon in a roll. Oh, sorry, in a roll, in a brioche roll, in a brioche bun even. Let's get it right. Alright, so there's the bun, nice and melted. There's the bacon, nice and crispy, just how I like it. There's the haggis. And as for the eggs, well, I might just be able to do that actually. There's the egg on there. Is it runny? Right on the edge. No cheese in there today though. So a little bit loose on top, but the bun will just help that cook a little bit more. Right. Squeaky chair. A bit like a squeaky cup, I think. So there you go, it's there somewhere. Yeah, well, you get the drift. First time. There you go, first time trying a haggis. Tastes alright, salty. It's really smooth. It's yeah, it's really smooth. It's tastes very salty, really salty. Don't put any salt on it. Well, I'm gonna have it again because I've still got another piece of it to eat. So yeah. Well, I've eaten that. It's gone. It's not there anymore. So yeah, egg and bacon, standard, isn't it? It's always nice egg and bacon, and with chilli flakes and a bit of pepper and all of that, all the good stuff. In a brioche roll. Bit runny. Sorry, didn't mean to lick my fingers then. Yeah, it's the haggis, surprisingly smooth, salty. I think it'd be quite nice as like a haggis hash maybe. Yeah. So everybody, enjoy your day. If you liked the video, give us a like, and if you didn't, then maybe watch yesterday's because that's on there. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care, everyone. I'll see you later. Bye bye.